so much to the WWE Universe.
You know what happens when you dig down deep all the time? You bury yourself and you fall to the bottom, and that's exactly what's going to happen tonight.
Hey now, listen up. I'm not the kind of girl that ever gives up. If anybody tries to bring me down, they'll be picking themselves up off the ground. Cause my rhinestone Luke Casey boots will kick your ass back to its roots.
I'm a grown-ass woman.
Here comes the heart of Chase U. From Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Thea. A matchup like this, it's one that the locker room has wanted to see. It's one that the WWE Universe has wanted to see. It's one that I've been waiting to see, and it's about to go down.
I will dismantle you, Mark. You are the puppet, I hold the strings. Welcome to my legacy. I hope you see that this was all part of the plan. You might not ever see what I see. I'm dancing with devils again.
She knows tonight is going to be a big challenge, but if anyone is up for it, it's this woman.
The 1% of WWE, Kiana James.
And from Sioux City, Iowa, Kiana James.
A self-assured competitor, a shrewd businesswoman, and has no qualms about skirting the rules.
Well, Kiana certainly has a lot of tricks in her handbag, which is almost as diversified as her portfolio.
A lot of tricks, Corey? There's a brick in that handbag. Every time.
Well, apparently Kiana James has crunched the numbers, and she believes that she's the odds-on favorite here tonight.
Kiana James gonna show she's as fierce as she is calculating.
What are the odds we see a temporary alliance of sorts in this triple threat?
If we do see one, Michael, I'm betting it won't last. These superstars are only here for one thing. They know that at the end of the day, it's every person for themselves.
Oh, straight forearm.
Drop kick hits the mark.
Beautiful athleticism. Chop block. Brilliant. Right to the back of the knee. You have to admit, that was a smart bit of offense, cutting their opponent down to size like that.
The best thing about a no disqualification match is how it can bring out a superstar's creativity. Sometimes there's a violent artist inside these competitors just begging to come out in a match like this.
I don't know, Corey. Wouldn't watercolors be just as effective?
No, not unless you're throwing the watercolors into an opponent's face and impairing their vision, Saxton.
Thea gets the better there and goes back into the ring here.
Shoulder tackle.
Crisp arm drag. Thea caught by the counter.
What a boot. Kiana able to evade.
Oh, that hurt. Absolutely no telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
Shades of the old EC dub as a Kendick is introduced to the proceedings. Kick to the gut. Here's the setup. Powerbomb.
Shoulders down, penny predicament.
She's not wasting any time going after an early pinfall.
She fights back with the counter.
Big forearm.
Saw it coming and counters it. And Kiana fends her off.
Ooh, point of the elbow counters that. Nice hip toss. Just a perfect mix of pure power and bad intentions.
Ooh, a vicious shot right to the dome. And she's looking intent on delivering something big here.
Better watch your step now. She's getting all sorts of fired up.
She's getting back into the ring, under the ropes.
Oh, man, a little extra luster behind that kick.
Trapped in a tough situation, trying to find her way out. And she does.
And that move might have crossed the line.
Prime example of working smarter, not harder. That's what I say.
Big back body drop. What elevation.
And she's set right into that corner.
Shoulder to the gut, adding a little flair to the offense. Man, before a second shoulder. Wow.
And as dangerous as she is, that kendo stick just made her even more so.
Lands a timely reversal.
A string of counters.
Caught with that sharp elbow.
Right on point. Oh, no. On a reverse DDT.
Kiana James trying to ramp things up.
And enters back into the ring. Kiana caught by surprise. Smooth neck breaker.
Just defiantly fighting off her opponent. And, here it is.
She's in trouble. How much more can she endure? How much more? Forced to break the hold thanks to that timely interference. Oh! Into a German suplex.
9.
She lost some of her stamina at this stage.
I mean, at this point, a triple threat, you could be a lot worse off.
Kick to the stomach puts an end to that.
Sent into the corner.
Counters and counters. Each superstar looking dialed in.
Thea is in the zone and letting the opposition know it.
Looks like she's heading back into the ring.
Stirring up, but she has no idea what's about to come her way.
With the counter. She's got her pin. This might be the end. And that breaks up the pin.
Thesz press.
We knew we were in for something special between these competitors, but they are taking things over their own limits.
Countering each other again and again.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
Totally helpless at the moment.
She wants to seize the moment now, waiting on her opponent.
She counters it.
All the way up and around the world.
Crucifix head scissors. Kick to the gut. Here's the setup. Powerbomb. Making the most of that with the pin.
This battle rages on. Back in the ring.
Fast movement gets her out of the way. Russian leg sweep.
Shot to the face gets them out of that spot. Now the pin on Thea Hale. Is it enough? And she fights it off.
She just will not go away.
Thea's got to find her out of this dire spot.
Countered into a jawbreaker.
Reversal after reversal. These two have counters for days.
Come on, lock in. She's able to break the hold just in time. And Kiana fends her off.
Gets out of dodge.
Caught with a lariat. And listen to this place.
Kiana James with a big right and a 401K. Will James follow it up? 2.
No, she kicked out.
Oh, that was more than close. That was inches away from 3
millimeters. And now it's reload time. Time to find another moment to pull out that one more time. This place has come unglued.
Rightfully so.
And another. Bang!
Slides under the ropes. Back into the ring.
Shot block. Brilliant. Right to the back of the knee.
Kiana James has become relentless.
Kiana just smothering her.
Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in.
This is not where she wants to be. She has to fight out of this.
Will she? Cutting off the attempt.
Disrupts the attack with an elbow to the gut.
Uh-oh. No! Kick out at 2.
I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
I don't either. Can this ref even count to 3?
Dangerous intentions.
He's going to try it again.
I can already feel the sting of the kendo stick, and I do not care for it.
Stopping the referees. She's kept this one alive. Gets the reversal. What a counter.
In the corner now. She doesn't want to stay there.
Nice hip toss.
And Thea there piles onto the damage she's already dished out.
Kiana has to find a way to navigate through all this.
Neck breaker.
Looking to end this once and for all.
Powers out. She powered out.
I can't believe it. The people can't believe it. I don't think the referee can believe it.
She goes under the ropes, back inside.
Oh, big club. Gets him out of that. And look at it cinch in.
Oh, the hoverboard lock.
This might be it right here.
This is agonizing. It doesn't take long to snap a joint. The pain's too great. That's it.
Triple Threat's always delivered 3 times the action, and that one was no exception. Take a look.
This is the start of my destiny. I will dismantle you, mine. You are the puppet, I hold the strings. Welcome to my legacy. I hope you see that this was all part of the plan. You might not ever see what I see. I'm dancing with devils again. Don't you ever push the boundaries, that is my law. I'm a hurricane knocking down doors. The damage done won't go away. I'll live to fight another day. You're pathetic, I wouldn't bow to me. I am a titan and I am God. Hypothetic, if you could step to me, I would devour your goddamn mind. I don't give a damn. I could eat the whole damn world. I will crush the bones of those that don't believe in me. I'm here to take what is mine. This is the start of my destiny. I will dismantle your mind. You are the puppet, I hold the strings. Welcome to my legacy. I hope you see
Impressively withstanding the onslaught of the 2 other superstars to stand tall